How to set up confirmation email in Shopify. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up confirmation email in Shopify. So let's get into it. You will open up your Shopify store and you will get right here. Now you will have to go to your settings. Inside your settings, you will find all of the different settings we can do to our store. Now you're going to scroll down a little bit to notifications right here. Here we have all of our different emails that we can set with our Shopify store. And you can see the first one is going to be the order confirmation, sent automatically to the customer after they place their order. So this is going to be a confirmation email that will be sent to the customer as soon as they place an order. So I'm going to select this option. And here we have a preview of what it looks like. You can see this is our business name. We have view your order button. We have the product that they bought. We have their invoice here. We have their customer information and shipping method too. So this is what the email looks like, and I can customize it if I want to. Just click on edit code and you will be able to edit the email. But this is coding, and with each order, some few of the things are customized. Of course, the order number, the product that they have, but this is what it will look like. You can go to the settings and notifications and set up a confirmation email within your Shopify store. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.